let's start with chapter number 3, more about keyboard and mouse. So in this chapter, I will tell you about keyboard. Keyboard have 104 keys. With these different keys, what we write numbers, alphabets, and some special numbers are also given. Special keys are also there. So these are used to write words, letters, or sentences. Then we have mouse, which is used to point out things, or you can click on the different things by using the mouse, or it can be used for playing games or for doing drawing. So let's start with the chapter now. Look, label the 4 main parts. These are the 4 main parts. You must label them. You will do yourself, right? This is your CPU, this is monitor, mouse, and this is your keyboard. Now, teacher's note. Let's study about the keyboard. So, keyboard, you press the keys on the keyboard. Keys are the small buttons on the keyboard. You press the alphabet keys, number key, and other types of keys to type words, sentences, and sums. And how many keys does the keyboard have? 104 keys. We use different keys to write numbers, to write words, and some special character. These are the number keys. These are alphabetic keys. And this is your enter key. This is your delete key. This is your space bar key. Right? These are the different keys. First is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys. These keys helps you to type letters, words, and sentences. There are 26 keys on the keyboard from A to Z. कितनी keys होती हैं? 26 keys होती है from A to Z. Then we have number keys which help you to type the numbers. So they are also known as numeric key. There are 10 numbers keys from 0 to 9. They are just above the alphabet key. ये आपकी बिल्कुल कहाँ alphabet keys के ऊपर present होती है. They are present in 2 places at the keyboard. 2 जगह आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. Now, next is spacebar key, which is the longest key. It helps to keep space between the letters, words, or numbers. So, this is the longest key. You can see here we have it in computer and we have given space between P and E. So, what we use, we will use spacebar key over here. Then enter key. While typing, you can see a blinking line on the same screen. This line is called cursor. And the enter key helps you to move the cursor to the नेक्स्ट लाइन. और जो एंटर की होती है वो आपको हेल्प करती है कर्सर को कि वो कौन सी लाइन में मूव करे, नेक्स्ट लाइन पे मूव करे. राइट, सम ऑफ द कीबोर्ड्स हैज टू एंटर की, राइट, और एंटर की इज आल्सो कॉल्ड रिटन की. व्हाट वी कॉल टू एंटर की, वी कॉल रिटन की. राइट, नेक्स्ट इज before using an enter key or after using an enter key, like this, the space you can give over here. Now backspace key which helps to delete the character. ये करता है जो different characters हमको delete करने में help करता है on the left side of the cursor. Like with number using the backspace key. आप देख रहे हैं कि 9 क्या हो गया इसमें से delete हो गया, right? Then we have delete key. This is the key used to delete characters one at a time on the right side of the cursor. ये एक character को delete करता है एक time पे, right? नेक्स्ट इज योर नंबर बिफोर यूजिंग डिलीट की. ऐसा था और जैसे हमने डिलीट करा तो क्या हो गया, 9 हट गया वहां से. सो नाउ वी हैव एरो कीज. दीज कीज आर यूज्ड टू मूव द कर्सर अप, डाउन, राइट एंड लेफ्ट. आपको अप मूव करना, यू विल यूज दिस की, डाउन, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. डाउन. नाउ राइट, द एरो कीज आर आल्सो नोन एज कर्सर कंट्रोल की. हम एरो कीज को क्या कहते हैं, cursor control keys भी कहते हैं, right? Then we have mouse. A mouse, it has a long wire, or now we have Bluetooth mouse also. So which do not have wire, they are connected with the help of Bluetooth, right? This mouse with a wire and mouse without a wire. So let's study about the mouse button. We have 3 buttons, right, left, and scroll wheel, and there is a mouse pad. A mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel in the center, right? So to make the mouse work, always keep the mouse on the mouse pad. अगर आपको माउस को मूव करना है, हमेशा आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसको माउस पैड पे रखना है. इट कीप्स द माउस डस्ट फ्री. ठीक है, माउस को क्या करता है, डस्ट से फ्री करता है. Then we have mouse pointer. So a mouse is used to select and point things on the monitor. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, an arrow moves on the monitor, and this arrow is called माउस पॉइंटर. और जो एरो मूव करता है उसको आप क्या कहते हैं, माउस पॉइंटर कहते हैं, राइट? Now, when you move the mouse to the right, the pointer will always move to the right only. If you will move to the left, it will move to the left. So let's study holding a mouse. How you hold. Before learning how to hold the mouse properly, you must learn about various fingers and thumbs on your hand. This is a little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and thumb finger. These are the different fingers. The activity you can do, how to hold a mouse. So for that, place your palm on the middle, on the bottom of the mouse. Then place your index finger on the left mouse button. Next, place your middle finger on the right mouse button. Hold the size of the mouse with your thumb and little finger, and you can move the scroll wheel. फिर आप क्या करोगे, अपने इंडेक्स फिंगर से स्क्रॉल व्हील को मूव करोगे. सो एक्शंस ऑफ द माउस. टू मेक अ माउस वर्क, यू प्रेस दिस बटन. प्रेसिंग एंड रिलीजिंग द माउस बटन इज कॉल्ड क्लिक. ठीक है, आप प्रेस कर रहे हो माउस बटन को, रिलीज कर रहे हो, उसको क्या बोला जाता है, क्लिकिंग बोला जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज सिंगल क्लिक. सो प्रेसिंग द लेफ्ट माउस बटन वंस. आप एक बार क्या कर रहे हो, प्रेस कर रहे हो माउस बटन को, तो उसको हम सिंगल क्लिक कहते हैं. डबल क्लिक व्हेन यू आर प्रेसिंग द लेफ्ट माउस बटन ट्वाइस. आप दो बार उसको प्रेस कर रहे हो, तो व्हाट वी कॉल इट डबल क्लिकिंग. What happens with double clicking? It can open an item or program what you have selected. Now right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is known as right click. It opens a list of commands. ये क्या करता है, जितने भी आपके different list of commands हैं उनको open करता है. Then we have scrolling. The scroll wheel is used for scrolling a page on the screen up down. This action is called scrolling. और इस action को क्या बोला जाता है, scrolling. What we call it, scrolling. Right? Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.